question related with profit and loss. Okay. By selling a radio for rupees 1260, selling a radio for rupees 1260, it means selling price of the radio is given 1260. A shopkeeper gains 5% when he will sell that radio at rupees 1260. He will get profit 5%. So at what price should it to be sell the radio to gain 10%? So before finding next one, first of all we have to find out cost price. We have to find out at what price he purchased that radio, so he gained 5% by on selling on rupees 1260. Here SP of a radio is equal to rupees 1260. By selling a radio for rupees 1260 means selling price of the radio is 1260. A shopkeeper gains 5%. Profit percent is equal to 5%. When he will sell that radio at rupees 1260, he get profit 5%. So first of all we have to find out at what price he purchased that radio. Cost price of the radio, CP, is equal to what? Now we have to use formula of cost price. When SP and profit percent is given, formula is SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. SP is equal to here 1260 into 100 by 100 plus 5. Now solve this. 6000 by 105 is equal to rupees 1200. Okay, clear? And after this, at what price should he sell that radio to gain 10% profit? Now he want to earn 10% profit. So at what price he have to sell that radio? We have to find out SP. Again CP, at what price he purchased that radio? At 1200. Cost price same. Now he want to get profit 10%. So at what price he have to sell? So SP we have to find out. Now what is the formula of SP? CP 100 plus profit percent by 100. Now put the value 1200 means 1200. 100 plus 10 by 100 is equal to rupees 2020 cancel. So here 12 into 100 plus 10, 110 is equal to 1320. 1320. So he have to sell at rupees 1320 to get 10% profit.